Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you how to read column plan and column detail. So this is very important topic for today. If you are working on construction sites, so you should have knowledge about how to read civil engineering drawing, especially for column plan and column details. Let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, here you can see this is column plan and this is the column detail. First of all, I will tell you about size of column. Guys, size of this column is C1 column, and the second one you can see this is size. So C1 column 1 size is 13.5 inch by 13.5 inch. Guys, you can see the section. Okay, so in the section we have the column size 13.5 by 13.5 inches. And here guys, this is section A and this is section B. In section A guys, you can see this is especially for overlapping. Here guys, you can see this is the section A before overlapping. So therefore this is section A. So this is the column details which is in section B. Guys, you can see from here. So this is for section B and the section A is this one. Okay. So therefore guys, we have here 8 steel rods in section A, 8 steel rods, and the die of 8 steel rod is 5 sutur or 5 by 8 inch die of steel rod is. Okay. Now guys, you can see its lateral ties, so which is 3 sutur or 3 number steel is used for lateral tie with the spacing of 3 inches. So 3 by 8 inches die of steel rod for lateral tie with the spacing of 3 inches. Okay, so this is very important to know how to read civil engineering drawing. So therefore watch this video till the end to learn something new. Okay, now guys, you can see the column details. Okay, so this is for column for section B. So size is same, but here guys only you can see the other steel rods. Okay, which is specially for overlapping. Okay, the size is same, steel rod is same, but you can see, okay, these two are the other steel rods for this section B. So therefore now guys, you can see this is the especially in the foundation. Okay, so we can do PCC. So it means this is 148 PCC plain cement concrete, maybe with the thickness of 3 inches, and this is the section for plinth beam. So after plinth beam guys, you can see this is ground floor. Okay, and here you can see the longitudinal bars, lateral tie you can see 3 sutur or 3 by 8 inches with the spacing of 3 inches, same for this section, and 8 steel rods you can see in the section A with 8 rods and the dia is 5 sutur or you can say 16 millimeter. Okay, now guys, you can see in section B for this one, you can see this the lapping splice. Okay, or lapping length you can see, and also you can see the joggle. Okay, or it should be maximum with 1:6. Okay, so from the ground floor to the roof, the height is 11 feet and 6 inches. Okay, and also you can see at the top or roof beam, you can see this is the roof beam section. Okay, next guys, you can see here this is the sections, but if you see the column placing, okay, so this is the column plan, and you can see clearly here. Okay, these are grades. So column C1 means column, so these all are C1, which size is 13.5 by 13.5 inches. And here guys, you can see the columns are you can see the center line. Okay, also from here you can see clearly. Now you can see the distance between two columns from one center to the other, which is here guys 9 feet 6 inches, but from one column and from the other start, which is 8 feet 4.5 inch. Next guys, you can see from one column to other column spacing is 13 feet 1.5 inch. The other one is 9 feet 6 inch. The other one is 5 feet 7.5 inch. The other one is 13 feet 1.5 inch. From this side 9.5 feet, 6.6 feet, 6.6 feet and 6 inches, 6 feet 7.5 inches. So guys, this is the drawing for how to read column plan and how to read column details. Now guys, you can see the notes here. Notes are specially for the column. So the clear cover for column should be 1.5 inch, means this concrete cover. So concrete cover means this is what? This is concrete cover or clear cover. This is the same thing. Okay, so guys, this is a short video to discuss about how to read civil engineering drawing for column plan and also for column details. Maybe this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.